A follower's car has been parked in this parking lot for a month, and now it won't start. I'm coming over today to see if I can fix it for him. Here are the tools I brought. Let's go. It should be this car. I asked the owner just now. Yesterday, a repair shop came to check the car. He said that he would tow the car back to the repair shop to overhaul the engine. The price was $5,000. Let's get in the car and start it up to see what's going on. Okay, it is indeed not working. Go to the front to see. Generally, there are 3 reasons why a car can't start: oil, electricity, gas. Let's see if he is oiled first. Catch it with a bottle. Come on, start the car. Okay, stop. Did you see that there is oil coming out? Put the tube back. Be careful when installing the buckle. Try to put it back to the original position so that the seal is good. There is no problem with the oil circuit. Check the circuit. Take out the spark plug. Insert it into the ignition coil to test for electricity. If there's a spark here, there's electricity. Come on, start the car. See, there's electricity here. Okay, stop. There is gas and electricity, but the car still won't start. That is the gas circuit problem. Next, we measure the cylinder pressure. Take a few paper towels and roll them up, then stuff them into the guide hole of the spark plug. Be sure to plug it tightly. Come on, start the car. Okay, the cause of the problem is found. It's the lack of cylinder pressure. Normally, this wad of tissue would be pushed very, very high with a bang. There is no need to go to the repair shop to overhaul problems like this. I can solve them here. Next, on the trick. Got an used can of motor oil from my car. Poured a little into the cap, then added it to the spark plug guide. Added a little more. Okay, we're done pouring. Let's try again with a paper towel. Come on, start the car. Did you see it? The cylinder pressure already exists. Let's add some oil to the remaining cylinders. Why did the cylinder pressure increase when I added some oil just now? In fact, the principle is very simple. It is the same as the pressurized well. Originally, no water can be pressed out. Add some water to make the apron seal better, and then the water can be pressed out. In this car, the piston ring is stuck due to carbon deposit, so the cylinder pressure is insufficient. Okay, all the oil has been filled. Put all these things back. Guess whether you can start the car directly when you get in the car later. By the way, just a reminder, I mainly shoot videos for sharing and recording. If you have weak hands-on skills, don't imitate. Okay, everything is installed. Let's get in the car and start. If the car can start in a while, brothers give me a free light. The next step is to witness the miracle of the moment. Wow, so nervous. Come on, get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. It worked! Go! Look outside the car! Wow! Look at the engine running very smoothly now! After a while, the car owner will be asked to drive the car to the high speed and run to clean up the carbon deposits so that the car will not fail to start in the future. Brothers who like my video follow me and learn some car knowledge every day.